Oh no!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. Since Rakhi is around the corner and it's a tradition on my channel to post DIY related videos. So here I am with a tutorial on where I'm going to teach you how you can make 5 beautiful Rakhi at home all by yourself. So yeah, I have posted couple of videos in the past as well. In case you guys want to check it out, I'm going to leave the link in the description box or either in the iCard. So yeah, if this content interests you, then keep on watching. enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down to let me know how was this video. Which Rakhi was your personal favorite Rakhi among this 5? And in case you guys are gonna try it out, please share the pictures with me either on my social media or you can mail me as well. You can use the hashtag DIY with Bera and tag me on my social media. I'll be really happy to see the Rakhis made by you, and you can also get a chance to get featured in my next video in case you do so. So yeah, follow me on my social media and subscribe if you haven't already. Also press the little bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video. And in case you guys want me to make few more Rakhi series, then please do comment down. I'll love to do it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.